Hi everyone. So today we're talking about tray bakes. Now, when you talk about tray bake, we always think about just that one meal where you're just throwing everything together, right? That's normally the general idea. But in order for it to be attractive and to work, it has to be done very quickly. So it must be something that you can put in the oven and cooks all by itself without your attention. But what's more important to me about tray bakes is the way they taste. So how you decide to pair up your veggies and your meat or the other proteins is very important for me because it needs to be very good tasting. But now, whenever you have meat and veg, you always have to have gravy, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a tray bake that also comes with gravy. So if you decide to use your tray bake or eat it with some mashed potato or some couscous or pap, you already have gravy ready made for you in just that 30 minutes that I will be making my tray bake. Let's get right to it.